I'm a wedding planner by day, a mom, and a homemaker. Follow me in Sherilyn's world. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and check all. Let's go! In this episode, we're going to talk about how to plant potatoes in a container. So potatoes here, I've selected from the grocery store. You want to select the ones with the most eyes. As you can see, those round things that I'm pointing at, those are eyes. And then the more you have of those, the more faster it is to populate and to grow more potatoes rather than getting a baby potato. So these are grown potatoes that I've selected with tons of eyes. And then here I'm pouring Loam soil. Loam soil is basically a combination of different stuff that makes drainage fast and easy. Different kinds of components of the soil that makes drainage fast and easy. And so basically you're gonna fill, I have here a 5-gallon bucket. So you're gonna fill it very minimally because we're just gonna put enough so we can put the potatoes in there. We're not gonna fill it all the way up because as the potatoes grow, we're going to add more soil. So why plant potatoes in the first place? Well, first of all, potatoes are very, very beneficial to our health. Potatoes are rich in fiber, they're rich in potassium, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. And for example, if you have a cholesterol problem, it says that fiber helps lower the total amount of cholesterol in the blood, thereby decreasing the risk of heart disease. So it's very good to eat potatoes. When the Irish went into a famine, potatoes were their staple food. So basically potatoes are staple food for almost all different kinds of culture. So it's very diverse. And it's very easy to plant. You can even get your kids involved in it. You basically just plant it and then fill it up with soil. Now this soil that I put on top, it's Vermicast soil, which is basically worm castings. Worm castings help germinate the plants and propagate the plants faster. So I just put a thin layer on top there. So that's the end of my video for today. I'm going to post updates because potatoes take about 3 to 6 months to propagate. I'm gonna keep updating you guys with the potatoes with a second video. So thank you so much for your time. If you have any friends or family that may benefit from this, please share it with them. And then don't forget to click the like, subscribe button. And also don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.